Hello! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create items and categories for your site's menu. Before I jump in and show you how to manage your menu, let me show you what your menu will end up looking like on your site. Here we see a sample menu broken up into different categories. If we click on one of the categories, it will expand, showing the menu items that have been assigned to it. Now, let me show you how you'll manage this menu page. From your dashboard, let's go over to My Store, and let's first click on Menu Categories. Here, you can see all of your current menu categories, as well as how many items you have in each. Let's fill in some information to add a new category. Let's add a category for platters. Okay. Now all we do is click Add New Category, and you'll see your platters category added to the list. Now that we've added a new category, let's create a new menu item to put into that category. Once again, hover over My Store, and then click Create Menu Item. Let's start by adding a title. I'm going to add a short description, just as an example, but you want to add more of a description when adding the real item. Now let's add the item image. In the right-hand column, you'll see Set Item Image. Let's click that. Now click Select Files. Let's grab our item image. And now we scroll down and click Use as Featured Image. Okay. Once the image is set, let's add our item to the category we created earlier. You can also add a menu item to multiple categories if you like. Next, let's set the SKU and price under Item Details. We don't have a sale price or inventory, so I'll leave those unchecked. You also have the ability to add variations to an item. For example, let's say I had a platter that served 10 guests and one that served 30 guests. I simply add a new variation. Add variation names, and fill in the SKU and price information for the 30 guest platter. You can add many variations to a menu item. Variations could be size, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, or any other variation that keeps your menu simpler for your customers. The excerpt down here is an optional field that you can fill out if you want a different description on the menu list than the item detail page. If that doesn't make any sense, let me enter a short description here and I'll show you what I mean on the site. Now scroll up and click Publish. And our new menu item will be added to the menu. Let's take a look at our current menu items. Okay, there it is along with the sample items. To edit an item, we just hover over it and then click Edit. You can also move items to the trash this way. But let's jump back over to the site and take a look at our new item. I'll refresh the page. There's the new platter category that we added, and there's our new item. Notice the description listed is the excerpt description I entered. Then when I click into the item, I see the full description for it. If you don't enter an excerpt, the list page will just take the first part of this full description. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for using CaterHub.